I want to use also this opportunity once more condemn what has happened in Delta. I'm glad, I've said it earlier, that the party, the governor and our vice presidential candidate has not faulted the party, nor did the party did anything wrong, rather than their wish, according to them, to join the party which to me we've taken it with all sorts of regret and the pains that has gone down with us. I want to also use this opportunity to tell Nigerians that election is not done by leaders but by people. The PDP is still a brand that all of them are jealous of. And I believe this should not weigh us down. Rather, should make us up our sleeves so that come 2027, Nigerians will speak. They can coerce, like I said earlier, cajole and intimidate our members into joining them. But they can only do that because they feel they have what it takes. When the time comes, they will receive the result from Nigerians. It has happened before, and it will repeat itself. The parameters that will make Nigerians revolt against them is all in place. This government has been so insensitive to the yearnings and feelings of people. They have nothing so far, they have not shown any remorse. We are not conquered people. We are Nigerians, tax-paying Nigerians, law-abiding citizens, and we have rights. And when the time comes, Nigerians will show them that they have rights. 2027 is between Nigerians and TINUBU and the APC. So I want to urge our supporters to remain calm. We've just instructed the zonal caretaker committee to oversee the party in Delta after dissolving all the structures that has already been there since majority of them has shifted. And in no longer time will constitute a caretaker committee. We've also want to ask our team supporters to support the party. We may have our own internal crisis, which to me is surmountable. The beauty of this party is that it has always resolved its crisis whenever it rears its head. So advisor, to recover our mandate that they have taken away. The fortune of this party cannot be just left in the hands of our adversaries. So he will take legal action to retrieve those mandates as per as per the Electoral Act that says whenever you leave, you must leave the chair that you have occupied. So we are going to still do that. And also want to warn that party faithful should be faithful to the party. As you can see, we have an NWC that is devoid of any crisis. If somebody is looking for an excuse in order to justify whatever stupidity he wants to do, he will say that the NWC has crisis. Our party is intact. It will continue to lead. We will soon have a convention to usher in new executive.